Hey guys, so here's a quick update on Chelsea. For those who bought when it started to break out, for those who bought when it started to reverse, what should you do now? Here's our ongoing coverage for the stock. Check this video out. Hey guys, I'm not sure if you saw it from the intro, but it's a bit dark already in the backdrop. It's about to rain, but as promised, stock picks, stock recommendations, analysis based on what you sent out over social media. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, subscribe, smash that bell so you get updated on what's happening on the markets, because at the end of the day, the goal, the heart of why I do these videos is to help you and educate you to win and use the stock market to reach your goals of financial freedom. So over the past few days, Chelsea had a lot of news, all because of Miss Latel, all because of the third telco play, and a lot of people have been anticipating and speculating on where it will be. You have to understand, guys, at the end of the day, whatever you're seeing from Miss Latel, from Udena, from Chelsea, from ISM, is still under the context of speculation. They really haven't earned money yet. It's all under the context of what it could be, the promise that they will fight either Globe or PLDT, or at least have a shot of at least trying to rival them. So we really have to see first a couple of things. Number one, how big of a market share can they take? That's very, very important. And number two, what their rates will be. How strong will people actually transfer? You have to understand, people who are satisfied with PLDT or Globe will probably stay, or those who really hate the service are the ones that will go first. But it always has to be under the context of, is the deal compelling enough? Are the speeds amazing that will cause people that if the price point are almost the same, why am I leaving my current carrier for me to transfer? So we have to put that into consideration, because at the end of the day, it will be pretty much driven by earnings, and it will be pretty much driven also by the satisfaction that the customers will have over the brand, over the company. But one thing's for sure, this will make competition stiffer. That's why you're seeing Globe and PLDT trying to beef up, I guess, their the way they do things and their service. Because if there's another player out there, competition will be better, stiffer. But it doesn't mean also that Globe and PLDT will lose. It just means that there will be another player that will fight them. So for me, at the end of the day, this is still borderline speculation, because Chelsea really hasn't earned, or Miss Latel really hasn't earned anything. But as a stock market trader or investor, it does not mean that you can't make money off of this trade, because at the end of the day, if you've been following the videos, I've been trading based on technical analysis, meaning everything I need to know is found in the stock, meaning everything I need to know, I can analyze it from the charts, that I don't have to guess, I don't have to speculate, but everything can be seen from what the charts are telling us. So here's the thing, from the previous videos, I've posted that there's a resistance at the 8.5 level. So I'm talking to you now if you're a quick trader. I mentioned that if the stock pushes up and continues to trust and continues to go higher, it will try to hit and attack the 8.5 level. Now, here's the thing. Today, the stock went above 8.5 intraday, no, which was interesting, because I even posted it and sent it to some friends. Watch out for this, because it started to break out even further. But the thing about that is this. That's why I always say, for people who watch the candlesticks of the charts, no, you watch the closing price, because the closing price still is the final stamp of approval of what the market believes the stock is and what's its value for the day. That it could go to an intraday high, but if it fails to go and stay above that level, it means that people did not believe at that particular price point or price range. That being said, Chelsea closed below the 8.5 level, meaning, what does that imply if you are a quick trader? It actually means if you're a quick trader, it's one signal, one warning shot already that, hey, this is now becoming a solid resistance. So if we see more evidence over the next few days that 8.5 is solidifying itself as a resistance, it's not bad to take profits and sell. So for those who are quick, for those who are more aggressive in their trades, that don't need a lot of confirmation to take profits, This hit at 8.5 should be a take profit signal already for the stock. However, that being said, a lot of the indicators from chart overlays to price and momentum oscillators are still bullish, meaning there's still no evidence of a reversal yet. So why am I saying this? If you want more confirmation as of this point in time, you can hold. If you want more evidence that there's more bearishness in the stock, you can still hold. The one who's selling right now is a quick trader who's aggressive. Other quick traders who want more confirmation in their trades can still hold on to the stock. Don't worry, guys. I'll still update you on what's a possible narrative for the stock over the next few days. But even if you are a position trader, you have to remember, if you are a position trader, your goal is to profit from the primary trend. Trend is telling us still that we are still under a medium-term uptrend, that the medium-term uptrend is still intact. A lot of the position trading indicators are still also showing us the stock still bullish. So at the end of the day, you are a position trader. Hold on to your position first. This trade is something I recommend for position traders and quick traders, not really for investors yet because the fundamentals are not there. So if you want to know more about how we can trade the markets with confidence, I placed the link below on the seminars where I will be in, from Dubai to Qatar to Hong Kong to Manila to Cagayan de Oro to other parts of the world, because the heart and the goal of this is to educate you wherever you are. But if you want to learn more from books, the link is down below also on how you can order via Shopee or via my online store. Because I want you to learn more about this, because at the end of the day, you will learn as you execute, but you will also learn as you start reading, practicing, and learning from the experiences of others. So if you have any comments, you have any questions, put them down below. If you're a person who bought it and is a bit hesitant yet on what you're supposed to do, post them below and I'll try to answer it as fast as I can, and I'll try to answer it making another video for you guys. So that's it for now. This is Marvin Germo. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you all.